Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today we're going to be installing this. It is a firewall adjuster for the clutch cable. I have the infamous chirp sound on my car when I do not have the clutch pedal depressed slightly. So we're going to be installing this to take up the slack in the clutch cable on my SN95 Mustang. Let's get started. All right, we're going to need to go under the dash in the floorboard, over to the right where the gas pedal is. You will find the clutch cable quadrant right here. What we are going to have to do is get the end of the clutch cable right there out and have the little locking mechanism that holds it in place on that clutch cable quadrant, so we can get it, pull it out so we can install the firewall adjuster on it. It's pretty straightforward. I'm not going to video it. I'm just showing you guys where it is. So I'm gonna go do that and be back with you. All right, once you have it disconnected inside the vehicle, you will have either 2 or 3 bolts. One there, one underneath there to remove. So go ahead and get those removed. I believe they're going to be a 3/16. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those removed. All right, once you remove those 2 screws, there's going to be a little metal retainer spring right here. I don't know if you can see it. I'm pointing my thumb right at it. It's right there. You got to remove that in order to get the rest of this piece off that you're replacing with the firewall adjuster. So I'm gonna try to do that on camera. I'm fairly sure you don't need to reuse this spring with the firewall adjuster, so I'm just gonna cut mine to get it off. And hopefully I'm right. Then this piece slides off. Then the whole thing should come off after that. These 2 tabs have to be bent outwards, but I'm not even there yet. It's kind of stuck on there. I'm gonna work on getting that off and then I'll get back to you guys. All right, so basically, once you get that off, there's a rubber grommet here you gotta cut off and another plastic end you need to cut off. Just cut everything off until you're left with this bare plastic plate. And that is what you're gonna have left. They sell cables to go with this, but you can just, you can alter your factory cable to make it work. Next, you're gonna want to disassemble your firewall adjuster. Take the screw out where you have just this. If you have a set screw, you're gonna wanna loosen it. The little ball is designed to not come out and fall out, so you're good there. So you have 2, I'm not sure why there's 3 holes on this one. My factory firewall piece only has 2 holes, so we're just gonna use the 2 holes. So you're gonna wanna take this and install it there. Mine has more screws provided with it to use, so I'm gonna use those to install it. So go ahead and install your new plate for your firewall adjuster. All right, once you have that plate mounted, you can go ahead and install the screw portion of it. If you turn it in all the way, it's going to help you reinstall this cable on the clutch quadrant underneath. And you just install the cable back through the hole. Now I'm going to go back under and attach it to the clutch quadrant, and then I'll be back up here so we can get it adjusted. All right, now I have the vehicle running and I have the cable hooked back on the clutch quadrant. It's not chirping very much right now. You probably can't hear it on camera, but I'm just going to adjust it until I cannot hear the chirping anymore and go like a half a turn past that, just where it's nice and snug. So I'll go ahead and do that. we got it installed now. Looks very nice, but more importantly, the chirp is gone. We have a firm feeling clutch pedal. It doesn't have a lot of slop in it. So that is what we wanted. We achieved what we set out to achieve with it. It did its job. So if you guys want to pick up one of these, I'll put a link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe.